Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get face tracking on Roblox. First of all, guys, before starting, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video. First of all, click on three dot. Now you have to go to in settings. And now to get face tracking, you just need to go to in privacy. Once you're in privacy, you just need to be here in this section, microphone and camera input, where you have to enable the second permission, use camera to animate your avatar. So you have to enable this option by tapping on this toggle button. So right now it is disabled. Now let me enable it. Now just enable the camera to animate your avatar with your movement. Just click on enable button and your camera is enabled in privacy. Now you just need to open any game that supports camera as communication to get face tracking on the game or in the game. Now guys, once you're in the game, to get face tracking, you just need to tap on or click on this Roblox icon, and now click on this video icon to get face tracking on Roblox. Now let me move. Now you can see that. Now let me enable the face cam so it will give us a fair idea about it. Now you can see here the green dot shows that Roblox is using a camera, and if you click on this mic icon, it will enable your microphone as well. As you can see, this is how it goes, and yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching, bye. And that's how you can get face tracking on Roblox. So since I have not used the animated face, that's why it's not tracking with my voice. Otherwise, if it will do that. So if you use animated face on your avatar, it will definitely track with your voice. And yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching.